Hello, my amazing Igbo language learners. Today we're going to learn how to talk about a child in Igbo language. So the word for a child is called nwata. Nwata. That means a child. So let's say someone is doing something and I want to make excuses for them by saying, oh, he's just a child. I will just say, ọ bụ nwata. Ọ bụ nwata. That means he's just a child. The next one we're going to look at is nwa. Nwa is the word for baby. Nwa, baby. For example, I want someone to give me the baby to carry. I can say, kunye m nwa. Kunye m nwa. Give me the baby. The next one we're going to learn today is nwa ọhụrụ. That's the word for newborn. Nwa ọhụrụ is a newborn baby. So I can say oku nwa ọhụrụ. Oku nwa ọhụrụ to mean she's carrying a newborn. She's carrying a newborn. Oku nwa ọhụrụ. And the last one, oh, it's not the last. The next one is nwatakịrị. Nwatakịrị. Nwatakịrị is the Igbo word for a little child. Nwatakịrị a, bịa ebe a. It just means little child, come here. That's the word nwatakịrị. And the final one for today would be how to talk about children when it's more than one. You have more than one child. Maybe there are 2 or 3 or 4. You say ụmụaka. Ụmụaka. That means children. Unu bụ ụmụaka. You guys are children. You all are still children. Unu bụ ụmụaka. Or I can say unu ka bụ ụmụaka to mean you are still children. Did you learn something? Follow me, like, share, and book a class for personalized sessions. My name is Princess Enyinna-Okoro, and we teach Igbo language to children and to beginners. Let's have you in class. See you next time.